Good morning, students. We will discuss about the next experiment number 29. Title: To study to understand the role of pharmacist in first aid treatment. यामध्ये आपल्याला रोल ऑफ फार्मासिस्ट बघायचं आहे. फर्स्ट एड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंटसाठी आपण काय करतो फार्मासिस्ट. ठीक आहे. प्रोसिजर. Basic principles of first aid to be kept in mind every time. Basic principles of the first aid to be kept in mind every time. First, reach to the site without wasting time with the first aid kit and other persons ready to help you. Top priority should be given to those who are having weak or no respiration and those who are suffering from bleeding. Top priority should be given for the who are having weak or no respiration and those who are suffering for the bleeding. Third, send someone to get the expert medical services and arrange for the fastest transport facility to shift the victim to nearest medical center. Okay. Send someone to get expert medical services and arrange for fastest transport facility. Fastest transport facility arrange to them and to shift the victims to the nearest medical center. Fourth, inform the police in service situation. Inform the police in serious situation. Do not change the position or shift the victim unless it is must in case of fractures. 6. Loosen the collar, belt, buttons etc. of the shirt etc. ठीक है. Loosen for the collar, belt and buttons. And the shirt and trouser so that the circulation is not the obstructed. Let fresh air flow to the victim without obstructing the flow of fresh air to maintain the respiration. If the injured has lost large amount of blood, then try to persuade the people around to go along to the hospital and donate for blood and if the needed. Okay. Next point, in the first aid it keep phone numbers and address of hospitals, doctors, police and fire station so that it can be used in emergency. 9. Observe the carefully for the any other symptoms. 10 number, try to gather information from the injured person regarding his name, his detail, address and phone. Okay. Check the breathing for the whether it is slow, fast or absent. If patient is unable to breathe, artificial respiration should be carried out till the arrival of medical aid. Next point, severity of bleeding can be checked as per the color of tongue. Next point, check the bleeding from mouth, ear and nose. Next, note the cause, degree and site of burn in case of burns. Next, observe the signs symptoms of carefully in the suspected case of the poisoning. Okay. This is the next is the basic aim of the giving the first aid. Which is the basic aims for giving the first aid? First is saving the life, prevent further injury and worsening of the situation, giving the comfort in the agony by the specific measure and encouraging words. Next point, managing expert medical center at the earliest and transporting the victim in a proper way. And next point is the first aid and emergency treatment of some common conditions are follows. The first aid and emergency treatment of the some common conditions are follows, which first is heart attack, acute myocardial infection. The firstly is the chest pain of the heart attack of is central just behind the breastbone. The pain is more of the heaviness of the pressure like sensation which is accompanied by severe perspiration and the uneasiness. The pain may be radiated to jaw, upper limbs or back. Chest pain of the heart attack lasts of more than half 1 hour. First aid treatment. First point, patient should be shifted to the hospital immediately. Give complete bed rest. Give a sublingual tablet of the sorbitrate which dilates the coronary vessels and relieves the pain. Next point, analgesic like morphine 10 to 50 mg or pethidine 75 to 100 mg may be given transmuscularly to relieve the pain with the combination of the promethazine 20-25 mg to avoid the vomiting. Next one, provide the oxygen supply to the patient. Keep the patient under the observation for the detection of other symptoms. Next, cardiac arrest. Sudden and complete loss of the cardiac function takes place due to ventricular fibrillation. Within the seconds, the patient becomes unconscious, respiration and pulses disappears. The condition is fatal unless treated immediately. Next, I first aid treatment. First point, shift the patient to the hospital immediately. Give the complete bed rest. Defibrillator is applied to the heart to the restore this senses rhythm immediately. Next point 4, when defibrillators are not available, then cardiopulmonary resuscitation is the performed to the maintain the artificial circulation and artificial respiration. CPR can be performed to follows. First point, clearance of airway. Mouth to mouth respiration. ठीक है, फर्स्ट स्टेज, सेकंड स्टेज, थर्ड स्टेज. Okay, the open and allow the clean free air passes to the victim. Wrap a clean handkerchief on first two fingers of the hand together and clean the victim's mouth carefully by the turning in mouth of the patient to on side. Okay, this diagram denoted for the mouth to mouth respiration. Second number, artificial breathing. After the cleaning the airway, immediately start the giving mouth to mouth or mouth to nose respiration. The method artificial breathing is as shown in figure. Pinch the patient's nostrils, take a deep breath, then tightly seal the patient's mouth with your mouth and breathe out the air forcefully into the patient's lungs. Further move up head and inhale more fresh air and again breathe out the air forcefully into the patient's lungs. Continue till the patient start breathing by his own. When mouth to mouth respiration is not possible, then mouth to nose respiration is given. Next, cardiac massage. When the pulse of the patient is not felt, it indicates the non-functioning of the heart and non-circulation of the blood various part of the body. In such the situation, immediately cardiac massage is given to a patient. It is given a pressing hard and both hands on the patient's chest to the fingers about the lower end and the sternum. Put left hand and start the pressing with the force of the both hands one above the other. Continue the massage until help comes. After every 15 compressions, mouth to mouth respiration should be given. ठीक आहे, ज्यावेळेस कार्डियक मसाज द्यायचे, ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला हार्टवर कंटिन्यू त्याला मसाज करायचे, आणि त्याला माउथ टू माउथ रेस्पिरेशन चालू ठेवायचं आहे. नेक्स्ट आहे convulsions. The patient suddenly developed the tightening of the limbs, mouth, and body, followed by the jerky movements of all the limbs. Patient's eyeball roll upwards, teeth and the clenched and mouth shows froth coming out at the onset of the convulsion. A scream like sound coming out of the patient's throat. Sometimes the patient passes urine and stool in the cloths during the convulsion. Immediately patient loosen consequence and region it back after the 10 to 30 minutes. Patient unaware of the happening during the episode. First aid treatment. First is make the patient lie down on the floor. Remove any surrounding object which maybe becomes injurious to the patient. Put a spoon or such solid object covered with the handkerchief between the jaws and the patient to prevent a tongue bite. Take the special precaution to avoid the bite to your finger while inserting such a object. Do not try to restrict movements of the concluding limbs, such as the attempt will lead to the damage to the muscles. Do not give anything by the mouth to the patient. Such attempt may lead to the aspiration of the food in lungs. Do not try to keep any nauseous smelling object near the nose of the patients in an attempt to terminate the conclusion, like shoes, onion, spirit are not helpful terminating the conclusion. On the contrary, they may be stimulate secretion of the excess saliva and contribute in the aspiration in the lungs. Do not allow the onlookers to the gather around. Allow fresh air to flow to the patient. Next, immediately shift the patient to doctor. Next, convulsion is not due to any superstitious beliefs. Next, when patient become conscious immediately after the conclusion, give him milk, sugar or glucose water. Next, burners. Burners are the injuries caused by the dry heat like fire, flames, hot metals, chemical like strong acids, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, electricity or radiation. Scales are the injuries caused by moist heat like boiling water, hot oil, cold tar, hot wax. Next, first aid treatment. Cool the burnt or scalded area immediately by the putting plenty or cold water or by putting the clean cloth soaked in the cold water. Cooling of the part prevents further damage by the removing residual heat from the affected area. Second number, remove the clothing of the patient by cutting it around. Keep the patient in lie down position. Reassure the patient and do not disturb the blisters. Cover the burn area by the large dressing or by the clean cloth. No antiseptic, lotion, oil, butter, baking soda or ink should be applied on the burn. Burn area should not be touched unless it is necessary. Next, remove the immediately from the body things like rings, bangles, belt, boots, etc. Because when in the limbs swell due to edema, such the articles may be causes gangrene. Next, if the patient is conscious, give the sips of the water to him. In case of the chemicals burns, wash the affected area with the plenty of water until all chemical has been washed away. If eye are affected by the burns, wash them thoroughly and afterwards cover the sterile dressings. In case of extensive burn, wrap the victim in a clean cloth and shift him or immediately to the hospital. And in case of the daily in the shifting the patient to a hospital, start IV saline drip or prefilling ringer lactate solution in order to prevent the patient from the shock. A suitable analgesic is also given by the IV route. ठीक है. To completed experiment number 29. To next experiment number 30, titled to understand the role of pharmacist in improving patient compliance. Okay, to understand the role of pharmacist in improving the patient compliance. ठीक आहे, पेशंटनं कसं घेतल्या पाहिजेत गोळ्या, टॅबलेट कशा रेग्युलरपणे घेतल्या पाहिजे ते इन्फॉर्मेशन सांगायची आहे कोणी, फार्मासिस्टने, कुणाला, पेशंटला. ठीक आहे, त्यासाठी प्रोसिजर कोणती कोणती दिलेली आहे बघा. त्यामध्ये बेसिक एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द गुड क्लिनिकल फार्मसी प्रॅक्टिसेस इन्क्लूड्स फर्स्ट आहे कम्युनिकेशन, कन्सल्टिंग आणि काउन्सलिंग. ठीक आहे. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गनायझेशन डिफाइन्स द compliance as a faithful adherence by the patient to the prescriber instruction. Non-compliance is a term which refers the fault of the patient for the inappropriate uses of the medication. Will information patients exhibit increase the compliance with the drug regimens, resulting and improving the therapeutic outcomes. Therefore, the pharmacist has a responsibility to the properly inform the patients about their drug therapy. Pharmacist is the professional who has supervise the dispensing of the medicines immediate before the use and therefore assumes the key role in making the certain that potential non-compliance is reduced to the minimum. The clinical pharmacists at the hospital or retail stores make the significant contribution towards the improvement in the patient compliance by the following simple guidelines of described here. ठीक आहे, आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये काय करायचं आहे, कम्युनिकेशन करायचं आहे पेशंटला. ठीक आहे, ड्रग कसं घ्यायचं आहे, ड्रग किती टाईम घ्यायचा आहे, किती प्रमाणात ड्रग घ्यायचं त्याच्या इन्फॉर्मेशन आपल्याला कम्युनिकेशन करून आपल्याला पेशंटला सांगायचं आहे. त्याबरोबर काउन्सिलिंग करायचं आहे, त्यापासून कन्सल्टिंग करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे. पेशंटना नॉन कॉम्प्लियन्स म्हणजे रेग्युलरपणे ड्रग जर घेत नसेल तर त्यांना रेग्युलरपणे ड्रग घेण्यासाठी आपण काय करू शकतो, त्याला समजून सांगायचं आहे फार्मासिस्टनं. त्याविषयी कसं आपण हे करू शकतो त्याविषयी इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे. ठीक आहे. त्याचं कोणत्या गाईडलाईन्स दिलेल्या आहेत ते खाली आपण पाहूया स्टेप वाईज. फर्स्ट, सिम्प्लिफिकेशन ऑफ द थेरॅपेटिक रिजिम्स. द फिजिशियन मस्ट prescribe a minimum number of the drug with the well-defined dosage schedules once daily. Doses may be recommended wherever possible. A single dose of the drugs like the phenytoin, propanol or antidepressants may be also promote the compliance by the reducing the side effects. Next, improving the standards of the dispensing practices. The container size should be selected to accommodate a label bearing dosage instruction which are the prices, explicate and the large easily readable type. High quality containers should be selected. Pharmacists should take with the intuitive to the detail the ideal time of administration. Instructions such as the take as required should always be accompanied by a warning which specifies the maximum number of the doses that can be taken in the 24 hours period. Exact mode of the administration and storage condition should be illustrated. Okay. Next, development of a suitable medication packaging. डेव्हलप मेडिकेशन पॅकेजिंग डेव्हलप करायची. ठीक आहे. फार्मसी शुड बी सिलेक्ट द सिस्टम ऑफ द presentation packaging of the medicine which are most appropriate for the needs of the individual patient. Unit dose package in a general and blisters packs in a particular. Encourage a degree of self monitoring of drug intake. This can be improved compliance among the selected intelligent motivated patients such as young women taking oral contraceptives or young adults taking 10 days course of the antibiotics. Next, supplementary labeling. These instructions are the recommended to the convey important data regarding drug administration. Some the suggestion for the making these labels are: description of the drug action may be given in light terminology to the reduce the confusion and improve compliance. Symbols and graphics may be used for emphasize the correct times of administration. Detail such a interest to the patient may be highlighted by the placing them in front of the bottles. A daily calendar or tablet in identification card bearing the details of the administration schedule may be given to the improve the compliance. कॅलेंडरमध्ये त्याला म्हणजे डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन टेबल आयडेंटिफिकेशन कार्ड द्यायचं आहे, त्यामध्ये कधी ड्रग घ्यायचं आहे त्या इन्फॉर्मेशन पाहिजे, त्यामुळे ते कंटिन्यू आपण ड्रग घेऊ शकतो पेशंट त्यासाठी. ठीक आहे. पेशंट काउन्सिलिंग अँड एज्युकेशन युजिंग द सुटेबल व्हेरिएबल रिटर्न ऑर ॲडिओ व्हिज्युअल कम्युनिकेशन टेक्निक्स. ॲडिओ व्हिज्युअल कम्युनिकेशन टेक्निक किंवा सुटेबल व्हेरिएबल. ठीक आहे. रिटर्न टेक्निक पाहिजे. ठीक आहे. देन टेक्निक्स विच मेथड्स दॅट द फार्मसी शुड बी इन्फॉर्म. फार्मसी इन्फॉर्म करू शकतो. एड्युकेट द counsel the patient about the following items for the each medication is the patient drug regimen. The first time name, trade name, generic name, common synonym and other descriptive names. Next, intended use of and expected action. Next, route, dosage form, dosage and administration schedule. Special direction for the preparation, if any. Special direction for the administration. Precautions to be observed during the administration. Common side effect that may be encountered, including their evidence and the action required if they recur. Techniques for the self monitoring of the drug therapy, proper storage, potential drug or drug food interaction or other therapeutic contradictions, prescription refill information, action to be taken in the event of the missed dose, any other information peculiar or to the specific patient or drug, selection of the non prescription drug OTC drug and their uses. ठीक है. This is the experiment is completed. Next experiment number 31. Title: to study the role of the pharmacist in the family planning. To the study the role of pharmacist in the family planning. This experiment, the stepwise procedure for the family planning refers to the practices that help individual or couples that attain following objectives. Okay. Next, first point, to avoid the unwanted births. Second, to bring about the wanted births. Next, to regulate the intervals between the pregnancies. Fourth, number 2, control the time of the births by the considering the age of the parent. Fifth, to determine the number of children in the family. This the contraceptives method are the preventive method to the help of women for the avoidance of the unwanted pregnancies. They may be grouped into two classes. This is chart. Contraceptives method. This is two types. First, it temporal or Spacina method, and second is terminal or permanent sterilization. The terminal or permanent sterilization mainly two types: male sterilization and second female sterilization. The first is temporal or Spacina method. Spacina method, ठीक है. Next, this is the 4 subpoints. First is barrier method, intrauterine devices, hormonal contraceptives, post contraceptional methods. This first is barrier method. Physical. Physical is two types: condom and diaphragm. This is next. Chemical. Chemical is subpoints for 4: foams, creams, jellies, paste. Next, suppositories and soluble films. Next subpoint is intrauterine devices, IUD. And this is the subpoints for medicated IUDC, non-medicated IUDC, first generation IUDC, second generation IUDC, third generation IUDC. Okay. Next subpoint is hormonal contraceptives. This oral pills. Oral pills is once a month pill, combined pill, male pill, progesterone only pill, post coital pill. Next is depot slowly release the formulation. This is the 3 subpoints: injectable, subcutaneous implants, vaginal rings. Okay. Fourth point is post contraceptional methods. This is the 3 subpoints: absorption, menstrual regulation, and menstrual indication. Okay. This is the over the experiment completed. Okay. This is the over the all for the experiments and to the study for them. And okay, thank you.